Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the XRP falls. You know what, guys, I'm very shocked to see the changes of XRP, to see the price of XRP. Oh my god, what's going on in XRP? Absolutely every holder are shocked by these changes. And first time I saw in a crypto market that all cryptocurrencies is going in the loss. Guys, in the right now situation, Cardano, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba Inu, and Polygon, Matic, like that more, these all cryptocurrencies is in negative changes. I mean in the loss in a right now situation, just in a right now situation. But if you are holding any coin in these cryptocurrencies, so that's not mean, guys, that they are going in the loss completely. No, that is a temporary changes in after some passage of time, possibilities that 1 day 2 day, but I think that is a long-term false, because that's continuously false, so that is a long-term false, guys. So if you want to profit, so you have to hold, guys. Never decide to sell, and don't worry about these kind of changes, guys. Anyways, guys, now the latest in the right now situation, price of XRP in the market is 1.07 USD dollar. And other side, the changes is clear that completely going in the lows last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. These all changes is going in the lows, guys. Guys, please, I request all of you to please right now subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you like this update video. And you know what, guys, when there's a possibility that the XRP will pump, possibilities after 1 week. I'm sure about that after 1 week the price of XRP will be positive, guys. Possibilities we can't see. Maybe tomorrow the price pump, maybe in the next hour XRP price pump, but technical analysis tell us that to the next week the price will again pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.